Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to turn off live text on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So live text feature allows your iPhone or iPad to recognize text within the image that the camera captures. It'll recognize it as text and you'll see new icons appear at the bottom right of the screen. Using this feature, you can grab text from an image and paste it anywhere you like. So to turn this feature off, you need to go into Settings, then scroll down and find Camera and tap on it. Now find live text and toggle it off. Now if you go back to the camera and point your iPhone to a text, you will not see the live text feature on screen. And there you go, that is how to turn off live text mode on your iPhone, iPad running iOS 15. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.